Guys, sorry about that. Had to redo it. Alright. But, this video, that video that you've seen is gonna go up before this one, so, and if your parents or your family, whatever, or your friends say you can't do crap, you will prove them wrong, and chase your dreams, and hope you will make it in the future where you want to be and what you want to do. And yeah, one of my dreams is becoming a lead singer, so. And also a ghost hunter, but that's happening soon, so. Everybody, welcome to the Sound of Madness, and we all created it. My followers created the Sound of Madness. Shinedown has created the Sound of Madness, so let's do this. And also yeah, I did feel about that. All the time was at was going to last. We don't go fast. There's no do anything I think. We need a shotgun blast to kick in the ass. Watch your back. Oh my, you the little thing, you're not full of this damn little thing, that's all. This is what it is. You think that's not a thing, looking so sorry. I'm going to leave you been affected. That's the lunacy, but take your medicine. I'm creating the sound of madness. Somehow it's still here to prove. Nothing darkens now, never comes in the night. You can sleep in the dark, when you wake up and find. Let's go. All of my living people, fatality, everything after that, but I'm not. Yourself what's been the top of the sea. You think guys not me looking so sorry that I'm only been affected by something to see. So take your medicine. I'm creating the sound of madness. Perfectly call thanks. Somehow still here to explain that the darkest down never comes in the night. You can sleep with your mind. When you wake up and find. I get rid of the golden stuff. I created the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow I'm still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the dark when you wake up. When you're gonna wake up and find. I created the sound of madness. Wrote the book on pain. Somehow still here to explain that the darkest hour never comes in the night. You can sleep with the dark when you're gonna wake up and find. Please sit down. When you're gonna wake up and find. When you're gonna wake up and find. Please go. When you're gonna wake up and find. About it for this one. Like, subscribe, favorite, comment, we get like maybe 15 likes for this Leather Dragon. And
as football players, we have
like,
a game plan going into a
subscribe,
situation. You know,
favorite,
we don't want our fans
comment,
to have to go
keep
through
it
something
Richard,
like that.
and as always, the next phenomena, growth is tall. Even the enemies that you used to have.